Updating your billing address on HealthVerity is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the HealthVerity website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Find billing information. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this option to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on HealthVerity. Keeping your information up to date helps ensure smooth transactions and communication.